Welcome to Sammati Engineering College, Washim, Maharashtra, where innovation meets excellence and learning knows no bounds.
Our sole objective is empowering the next generation with knowledge, skill, and opportunities.
Our campus is equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure designed to inspire creativity, foster innovation, and facilitate hands-on learning. Sammati Engineering College is well approved by AICTE, New Delhi, Directors of Technical Education, Government of Maharashtra. Our college offers undergraduate 4 years Bachelor of Engineering course in disciplines like Computer Science and Engineering, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Civil Engineering, Electrical Engineering and Mechanical Engineering. And also post-graduation, that is Master of Engineering in Computer Science and Information Technology and Structural Engineering.
We emphasize on logical thinking, innovations and creativity, preparing our students to thrive in the dynamic field of technology.
To the Computer Engineering Lab, where coding enthusiasts bring their algorithms to reality.
The supportive faculty and collaborative environment equipped us with the skills needed in digital age.
Sammati Engineering College is consistently creating talent for tomorrow.
Through mentorship programs, counseling services, and student-led initiatives.
At Sammati, we are early adopters of technology. Google Classroom to ERP to custom GPTs for our students, which helps them to have an advanced cutting-edge knowledge before they pass out.
Our state-of-art infrastructure and experienced faculties ensure holistic development and academic excellence.
Sammati Engineering College was its affiliation from Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Amravati, and is well accredited by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council for a term of 5 years for excellent quality technical education.
In the Department of Electrical Engineering, we aim to prepare our students to innovate and lead in rapidly evolving field in electrical and electronics engineering.
And electrical engineering students tinker with circuits and electronics, transforming ideas into inventions.
The comprehensive curriculum and the state-of-the-art of the laboratories have provided us with a solid foundation in electrical engineering theory and practical skills.
But our commitment to excellence extends beyond the confines of laboratories and workshops.
We focus on equipping our students with modern tools and technologies needed to harness the power of data for innovation and decision making.
The interdisciplinary approach and project-based learning helps us to explore the vast potential of artificial intelligence and data science.
The exposure to recent and real projects help our skills, research and collaboration with industry partners.
Step into our basic and advanced laboratories where theory comes to life. From the Mechanical Engineering Lab, where students design and prototype cutting-edge machinery.
We focus on practical skills to prepare our students for industry challenges.
Academic nourishment and training of minds is our goal.
Civil Engineering Department leads to shape the future civil engineers.
As students in the Civil Engineering Department bring blueprints to life.
The hands-on training on exposure to real world of projects have broadened our understanding of civil engineering principles and practices.
The department focus on sustainable and resilient infrastructure has inspired us to become agents of positive change in the built up environment.
Our campus boasts extensive library stock with a vast collection of books, journals, and digital resources. Library plays a crucial role in supporting the academic endeavors of our students and faculty. We provide access to a vast collection of resources, both in print and digital formats, to facilitate research and learning across all disciplines. A dedicated research and development cell, nurturing innovation and scholarly pursuits. The Research and Development Cell serve as the driving force behind innovation and scholarly pursuits at Sammati Engineering College. We foster a culture of curiosity and discovery, providing support and resources for faculty and students to engage in cutting-edge research and contribute to the advancement of knowledge.
Welcome to the Training and Placement Department. We believe in equipping our students with the necessary tools and skills to excel in their professional lives.
A training and placements office guiding students towards fulfilling careers and promising futures. Through strategic partnerships with industry leaders and career development programs, we ensure our students are well prepared for fulfilling careers and meaningful contributions to the workforce. Training and Placements Officer. The Training and Placements Office is dedicated to empowering students with the skills and opportunities needed to succeed in the competitive job market.